Good morning, Delamere Forest, going for a little walk. Weather's not that good, but it's not bad. And oh dear, oh god, keep going, keep moving, keep moving. I think we're going down there, see you in a bit. Off the beaten track just a little bit now. Came through the trees there, and we're going to go somewhere, don't know where yet. Just walk. On the edge of the forest here now, there's all the barlands. Go through all the mud and the crap now, round through the trees. Take you with you for a bit. A bit muddy here. Not too bad. Not too bad. All the barlands, barlands. Oh, a seat. Yeah, there's your first bench.
Yes.
Take 5 at the first bench. Have a look at the barlands. This place is littered with benches to sit on and admire the view in the summer. Take your sandwiches and sit here and do nothing. Ooh, not a bad view, I suppose, if you're into sheep.